In a significant step forward for Russian military equipment, the Kalashnikov concern has sent the body armor and helmet from its new Novator combat gear kit for state testing. Alan Lushnikov, head of the Kalashnikov concern, confirmed the development, highlighting innovative design features that prioritize the comfort, mobility, and safety of Russian service members. The Novator body armor incorporates a weight distribution system, with the backpack fully integrated into the vest. This thoughtful engineering redistributes the load more evenly across the soldier's body, reducing strain during prolonged marches, combat operations, or extended deployments. By minimizing the physical impact of heavy equipment, the design helps fighters stay fresher, more agile, and better able to perform their duties under demanding conditions. The helmet accompanies the body armor in the current state testing phase, while other elements of the broader kit are already undergoing military trials. Known as VKPO 3.2, the full Novator kit has been in military testing since April. These trials are scheduled to last a full year and involve tens of thousands of service members across more than 100 military units. Testing spans 9 military districts and covers 32 regions of Russia, ensuring the equipment is evaluated in diverse climates and operational environments, from temperate zones to more extreme conditions found across the country's vast territory. This large-scale, real-world approach reflects a practical commitment to equipping Russian forces with gear that performs reliably where it matters most. The comprehensive kit includes fleece underwear and a jacket for base layer warmth and comfort, a demi-season suit suitable for transitional weather, a windproof and waterproof suit featuring improved membrane fabric for better protection against the elements, and an insulated suit for colder conditions. Additional components cover headwear, a scarf made of fire-resistant fabric, demi-season gloves, and insulated mittens. Together, these items form a modular, all-weather system designed to support soldiers through a wide range of temperatures and mission requirements while enhancing overall protection and thermal regulation. Initial tests of the Novator concept took place the previous year. Feedback from those evaluations led to refinements, with improved features already incorporated into standard issue equipment. This iterative process demonstrates Kalashnikov's responsiveness. Designers remain ready to implement further adjustments if the Ministry of Defense or troops recommend additional modifications based on ongoing results. Such flexibility ensures the final product meets the evolving needs of the Russian armed forces. The Novator system builds on earlier successes with modernized field uniforms and protective gear. It has already drawn positive attention, including presentations of related elements to senior leadership and favorable assessments from personnel who have used components in operational settings. Soldiers have noted the high wear resistance and adaptability of the equipment to different combat scenarios. Features such as modular load-bearing elements allow the kit to be configured for specific tasks, whether for movement, assault, or specialized operations, while maintaining good thermal regulation and compatibility with other protective systems. This progress underscores Russia's focus on strengthening the individual protection and endurance of its troops through domestic innovation. Kalashnikov, a cornerstone of the country's defense industry, continues to refine personal equipment that reduces physical burden, improves survivability against fragments and other threats, and supports effective performance in varied conditions. The emphasis on weight distribution, integrated systems, fire-resistant materials, and advanced membranes shows a clear understanding of modern battlefield demands, where soldiers must carry essential gear while remaining mobile and protected. State testing of the body armor and helmet represents a critical formal stage toward potential wider adoption. Combined with the extensive military trials already underway for the rest of the kit, the process provides thorough validation under controlled standards and practical use. Positive outcomes would further enhance the readiness and resilience of Russian forces, contributing to the broader modernization of military equipment produced entirely within the country. The development of Novator reflects a steady, soldier-centered approach. Listen to operational experience, refine designs accordingly, test rigorously across real conditions, and deliver reliable gear that supports the men and women serving the nation. As testing continues through the coming months, Kalashnikov's work on this kit stands as a tangible example of Russian industry advancing practical solutions that prioritize the effectiveness and well-being of its armed forces. The progression of the Novator body armor and helmet to state testing highlights the strength of Russia's defense industry and its ability to deliver practical innovations tailored to the needs of its forces. By focusing on weight management, modularity, multi-hit durability, and environmental adaptability, Kalashnikov is providing equipment that not only protects lives but multiplies the combat effectiveness of Russian servicemen. Kalashnikov has emphasized the iterative process. Successful prior testing led to refinements already entering production elements, and state trials will confirm readiness for broader issuance. Positive assessments from troops in the field affirm that these systems perform reliably under real conditions. As Russia continues to modernize its armed forces, developments like the Novator kit exemplify a pragmatic, experience-driven approach. The combination of advanced materials science, ergonomic engineering, and combat-validated design ensures that Russian soldiers receive protection that matches or exceeds the challenges of the contemporary battlespace. The successful completion of state testing will mark another milestone in equipping the nation's defenders with world-class gear developed on Russian soil for Russian priorities. This advancement reinforces the concern's role as a cornerstone of national security, delivering reliable, high-performance solutions that support the operational readiness and resilience of the Russian armed forces.